Alright, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to remove the rust from a trailer hitch and then put a new hitch insert inside of there. So before you put the insert in, you need to get all this rust out of the inside, because if you don't, then this will swell and you will never get this out again, which could be a problem. So what you're going to need is some kind of a circular wire wheel brush. I got a 1/2 inch here to go right inside of that, and then that will loosen up all the rust. And then also some anti-seize lubricant is going to be excellent, because you'll put that all over on the inside here. Then when you stick this insert in there, you will be able to remove it. It'll keep it from rusting and keep it in good shape. Of course, you'll also need a power drill to use to get that spinning at a high velocity so that you can remove that rust. So we're going to open this up. And we'll use the drill right away. So it's pretty simple. It's gonna kind of force it in there and get rid of all of this rust. So here we go. You can see that rust just pouring out of there. You can see there, I've got a real good inside. Look at all that coming out of there. We'll kind of blow it out of there. But it's really like metal right there on the inside there. There's no more rust. We're not really worried about this outside, but we can give it a little polish if we want. This one out here would probably be best with a wire brush, but otherwise, that's really all you need right there. Give it a good blowout, and that's pretty solid. So the next step would be to use this anti-seize lubricant. Now that the inside is rust-free, I'm going to take this, and really this is just kind of a messy job. You're going to pop it open and then squirt a bunch of it in there, and then you got to use your finger and just rub it all over inside of there. So your finger turns kind of silver, but that's all right. I'm going to put some on the outside here too. And then I'm also going to put some on this to help get it back a little further than my finger can reach. And of course, the more the merrier. So we'll go like that. And then this will just slide right in, and look how nice that moves. It's very, very wonderful. Then we just have our pin here. That's going to slide right through. We'll even put a little anti-seize on there to keep that from seizing up. That's going to go through, and there we go. Then we've got the cotter pin to go right on that. And that is it. That is how to prep your trailer hitch to make sure that you will have no issues with any rust or swelling, so that you can interchange any size you like. Of course, we've got the interlock drop ball here, so all really we need to do is change the ball. Therefore, this could seize on and we wouldn't have to worry about it, but why take that chance? So that is it. That is how to get your trailer hitch prepped and ready to use with any different adapter or size without having it get stuck and locked on.